Hey YouTube, Abdel Car Fix. This is 2006 Hyundai Sonata. So what's going on with this car? Hood release cable. It's not working. So basically, I checked. There's two pieces. This comes in two pieces in here. See that? One goes to the engine compartment and goes to which is runs right there. You can see it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a tie, one of those tie. But one goes into the driver's side cab, and the other one it goes from here to the latch right here. So I found out the latch one is good, although the new one comes with it, but there's no problem there. But that guy, the one that goes from here to the driver's side, it's I don't know what's going on with it, but it's not broken or anything, but sound like stretched or something. This is the one right here I replaced, and now the mechanism is working great. So I have to put everything back together, guys. Here's what you have to do. You have to take the battery out, you have to take the tray out, you have to release some of the screws because it's running right behind all these wires. The airbox here, it has the computer in there. So since the battery is out, we release the computer connectors right here. And basically what you have to do, guys, this is the air hose. I had to move that, and basically the tray, the top of the air filter housing, but you'll have to release all of these bolts that holds, I'll show you all these bolts. You see that? They'll hold that plastic because it runs right behind this, under this. And there's a problem with this also. They have tabs that hold it in the wall, so it makes it hard to pull it. Just you have to work your way. So which is I did, and basically here's one of the tabs. If you see right there, you see that? I have to put it back in place. There's 1, 2, and 3. There's a 3. There's one right there by the firewall, and there's one right here in this area by the light. And that's the third one. It's right under the box. The what do you call it? The fuse box. I mean, I have trouble getting this. It's taking a lot of time. It's a very time-consuming job. If you're gonna take it, it might take you a few hours to do it. It's not easy. But take your time. And those clips, what's holding them, it's gonna give you a hard time. But once you get to them, you'll get them all done, and you'll have your latch working. So we have our latch working. I can show you now. Before, it won't work at all. We tried everything in the book that we know and did not work. So I'm going to show you how now. Let's find one of those screwdrivers here, and put the camera down a little bit. Here we go. Okay, now it's locked. And go inside, and we're gonna release it and see how that goes. You hear this? Here you go. The screwdriver went flying. So now it's working, thank God, because this is a nightmare. In order to get it off, we had to remove the grill, and then we were able to open it and get to work in here. Take your time if you do this job. Take all this stuff out. And again, I'm gonna say this. There's a small cable that goes from here to here, right by the light. It hooks up right there. And there's the other cable comes. It goes under the box and comes down under these wires, and then comes out, and it goes to the firewall and goes through the firewall. That's what's going on. If you can manage to do that, you'll save yourself a couple of $100, maybe more. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my video. Thank you.